My name is Gerard Waller, and today I'll be showing you on how to write a blog post for my public speaking presentation. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is to find a good website where you can write your blog post, whether it's WordExpress or Manic Expression. In this case, we're going to be going on Manic Expression to write our blogs. So after you come up with your profile or create an account, you go where it says the new button. Click on that button, and it'll show you your blog that you can create. So the first thing you want to do is to come up with a compelling title, not just any title, but a title that can get the audience's interest in your blog, like this, for example. And all of our company are similar movies. Okay, so after you come up with your compelling title, the next thing you want to do is to have a paragraph that defines your blog post as a whole, like this, for example. Walt and Oliver & Company are Disney movies that have a lot of similarities. The obvious similarity is that they are both Disney movies. However, there are some other similarities that both films offer. Okay, so after you come up with your paragraph, the next thing you want to do is to write down those similarities. Like this, for example. The similarities between those two films . They're both animal films. They are both Disney films from the darker era. And they are both financially successful films. Okay, so after you come up with your similarities, you'll actually see that I wrote down the similarities differently. And so how you handle this situation is to add a bulleted list for those similarities, just so that the viewers could skim the article, and that way it'll be a lot easier for them to read rather than just reading through the whole thing. So how you want to do that is to highlight those similarities down, find where it says bulleted list, click on it, and presto. So the next thing you want to do is to find a good image for your blog. So how you can do that is go to Add Media and find where it says Create Gallery, and it'll show you the image. Sometimes it might not always show you the image that you want, so another simple thing for you to do is go to Google, search up the image that you want. We're going to search Bolt, and with the image that you want, right click on it, copy the image, and post it on your blog. Sometimes it might not always come up on your blog, so another thing for you to do is to just keep on trying. The next thing you want to do is to add shorter paragraphs and sentences. However, you can also be creative with your sentences that you write. You can relate, like for example, you can actually relate to what is going on with your blog. So what we're gonna say here is that when I was a kid, I always thought that those two films are similar, that they are not really Disney films. Okay, so after you come up with your shorter sentences, the next thing you want to do is to add links to your post. And the reason why you want to do that is because just so you can provide the evidence that you're trying to say in your blog. So we're going to go on this website called Disney.fandom, and on this website it actually says that Bolt is the last film of the post-Renaissance, as it stated here. So, and that means we found our evidence. So now you got your evidence for your blog. What you want to do is to highlight the website, right click it, copy it, and paste it onto your blog like this. One last thing you can do in your blog is to come up with a discussion question. Like, for example, do you agree with the similarities, or what do you think of the similarities as a whole? And that is how you write a blog. I'm Gerard Waller. Good night.